What if everything you've been told about protein after 60 is missing the most important piece of the puzzle? What if the real reason your arms look thinner, your legs feel weaker, and your strength slowly fades each year isn't because you're not eating enough protein, but because your body can no longer use it the way it once did? Millions of adults over 60 increase their protein intake thinking it will protect their muscles. They eat eggs for breakfast, chicken for lunch, and sometimes even drink protein shakes. Yet despite all that effort, their grip weakens, their balance becomes unstable, and everyday tasks start feeling heavier than they used to. Why does this happen? Why can someone eat plenty of protein and still lose muscle? And why are scientists now discovering that a simple group of forgotten fruits may help the body unlock protein in a completely different way? The truth is, after 60, the body changes its rules. Digestion slows, nutrient absorption becomes less efficient, and muscle cells stop responding to protein the way they did decades earlier. This means that even if protein is on your plate, it may never fully reach the muscle fibers where it's actually needed. But here's the surprising part. Researchers are beginning to uncover that certain fruits contain powerful compounds that help the body activate protein more effectively, supporting muscle repair, circulation, and recovery in ways that traditional protein sources alone simply cannot. In this video, we'll reveal the 5 forgotten fruits that can help rekindle that protein power inside you. These aren't exotic or expensive, they're simple, everyday fruits that science now shows can help your body stay firm, strong, and active after 60. Wait until you hear about number 1. It's so ordinary that most people walk right past it in the store, yet it may be the key to keeping your strength for life. Before we get started, welcome if this is your first time here. How old are you right now? Drop your age in the comments. We are reading and replying to each single one. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your country in the comments so we know where our family is growing from. Let's begin. Number 5. Guava. The tropical protein catalyst. Guava is one of the most overlooked fruits when it comes to muscle health. Yet nutritionally, it behaves very differently from most fruits people eat every day. While fruits are usually known for sugar and vitamins, guava quietly stands out for another reason. It naturally contains a small but meaningful amount of protein. 1 cup of fresh guava provides around 4 grams of protein, which is more than double the protein found in most common fruits like apples, bananas, or oranges. But the real power of guava goes far beyond its protein content. What truly makes this fruit special is its extraordinary vitamin C concentration. A single guava can deliver over 250 milligrams of vitamin C, nearly 4 times more than an orange. This matters because vitamin C is one of the most important nutrients involved in collagen production. Collagen is the structural protein that helps hold together muscles, tendons, ligaments, cartilage, and even bone tissue. As we age, collagen production naturally declines. After the age of 60, the body produces significantly less collagen each year. This decline contributes to weaker joints, slower muscle recovery, and the feeling of stiffness many seniors experience when moving or exercising. Vitamin C acts like a biological switch that activates the enzymes responsible for building collagen fibers. Without enough vitamin C, the body struggles to assemble and stabilize these structures, even if plenty of protein is available in the diet. Scientific research is beginning to highlight this connection. A 2022 study published in the journal Nutrients examined older adults who increased their intake of vitamin C-rich whole foods for several months. Researchers observed significant improvements in collagen synthesis markers, grip strength, and tissue recovery, suggesting that vitamin C plays a direct role in helping aging muscles repair and maintain strength. Guava offers an especially effective delivery system for these nutrients because it also contains fiber, potassium, and powerful polyphenols that reduce inflammation and improve nutrient absorption. To get the most benefit, eat the entire fruit, including the skin, since the peel contains the highest concentration of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Washing the fruit and slicing it with the peel intact preserves these benefits. Timing can also make a difference. Many nutrition researchers suggest eating vitamin C-rich fruits like guava about 30 minutes before your largest protein meal. This may help prepare the body's metabolic pathways for improved protein utilization. If fresh guava isn't available in your area, frozen guava pulp or smoothies can still provide similar benefits. What matters most is consistency. Regular consumption over 4 to 6 weeks may begin to support stronger connective tissue, improved recovery, and better overall muscle resilience. Number 4. Papaya, the enzyme powerhouse. If guava prepares the body to use protein more effectively, papaya helps your digestive system actually unlock it. This tropical fruit contains one of nature's most powerful digestive helpers, papain, a proteolytic enzyme specifically designed to break protein molecules into smaller, more absorbable pieces. This becomes extremely important as we age. After the age of 60, and especially beyond 70, our bodies gradually produce fewer digestive enzymes. Some estimates suggest enzyme production can drop by 30 to 50% compared to younger adults. When that happens, proteins from foods like meat, eggs, and beans may not be fully broken down during digestion. Instead of being converted into amino acids that feed the muscles, part of that protein simply passes through the body unused. Papain works by cutting large protein structures into shorter peptides and free amino acids, which are much easier for the small intestine to absorb. In simple terms, papaya helps your body extract more usable building blocks from the protein you already eat. Scientific research supports this effect. A 2021 study published in the European Journal of Nutrition examined digestive enzyme supplementation and its impact on protein metabolism in older adults. Researchers observed that participants receiving proteolytic enzymes such as papain experienced significantly improved amino acid absorption, along with better protein digestion efficiency. This improvement translated into enhanced muscle recovery and improved protein utilization compared to those who did not receive enzyme support. But papaya's benefits go far beyond papain. The fruit is also rich in vitamin A, vitamin C, folate, potassium, and powerful anti-inflammatory compounds like chymopapain. These nutrients support immune health, reduce oxidative stress, and help calm inflammation in joints and connective tissues, something many seniors struggle with when trying to stay active. Another unique feature of papaya is its seeds. While often discarded, the small black seeds contain natural plant compounds that support digestive balance and enzyme activity. They have a slightly peppery taste and can be lightly crushed and sprinkled over salads or blended into smoothies. To get the most benefit from papaya, aim for about 1 cup of ripe fruit during or immediately after a protein-rich meal. This timing allows papain to assist directly with the breakdown of the protein you just consumed. One important detail: heat destroys enzymes. Cooking papaya at high temperatures can deactivate papain, which means you lose one of its most valuable benefits. For best results, eat papaya fresh, chilled, or at room temperature. With regular use, this simple fruit can quietly improve digestion, increase amino acid availability, and help your body make better use of every gram of protein you eat. Number 3. Kiwi, the muscle protector. Kiwi may be small, but nutritionally it punches far above its weight, especially for adults over 60. Beneath its fuzzy skin is a unique digestive enzyme called actinidin, and this enzyme plays a powerful role in how the body handles protein. Much like papain and papaya, actinidin helps break down large protein molecules into smaller peptides and amino acids. But actinidin has an additional advantage. It appears to be particularly effective at improving the digestion of animal-based proteins, such as those found in meat, eggs, and dairy. These are the protein sources most older adults rely on to maintain muscle mass. As we age, the stomach produces less acid and fewer digestive enzymes. This can make protein digestion slower and less efficient. When proteins are not fully broken down, the body absorbs fewer amino acids, the building blocks needed to repair and maintain muscle tissue. That means even if someone eats enough protein, the muscles may not receive the nutrients they need. This is where kiwi becomes incredibly valuable. Research has shown that actinidin can significantly improve the rate and efficiency of protein digestion. A 2019 study published in the journal Nutrients investigated the effects of kiwi consumption on protein digestion in older adults. The researchers found that participants who ate 2 kiwi fruits alongside a protein-rich meal showed significantly faster gastric digestion and improved amino acid absorption compared with those who ate the same meal without kiwi. The enzyme actinidin helped accelerate the breakdown of dietary proteins, allowing the body to access amino acids more efficiently. And this is where the 16 times stronger idea begins to make sense. When fruits like guava, papaya, and kiwi are eaten regularly, their effects can compound. Guava supports collagen formation, papaya improves enzyme activity, and kiwi enhances protein digestion. Together, they create a nutritional environment that allows the body to use protein far more effectively than protein alone. Kiwi also delivers several other important nutrients for aging muscles and bones. It is rich in vitamin K1, which plays a crucial role in bone metabolism and calcium regulation, two factors essential for maintaining strength and reducing fracture risk in older adults. Additionally, kiwi contains prebiotic fiber that supports beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome is now known to influence muscle protein synthesis and nutrient absorption. To use kiwi effectively, aim for 2 kiwis per day, one with breakfast and one with dinner. Many people peel them, but the skin is actually edible and contains up to 3 times more fiber and antioxidants than the flesh alone. Another clever method is using kiwi as a natural meat tenderizer. The actinidin enzyme can pre-digest proteins. Simply mash a ripe kiwi and marinate meat for about 20 minutes before cooking. This breaks down muscle fibers in the meat, making the protein easier for your body to digest and absorb. Number 2. Mulberries, the cortisol fighter. One of the most overlooked reasons people lose muscle as they age has nothing to do with protein intake at all. It has to do with hormones, specifically cortisol, often called the body's primary stress hormone. Cortisol plays an important role in regulating metabolism, blood sugar, and the body's response to stress. But when cortisol levels remain elevated for long periods of time, it begins to trigger the opposite of muscle building. Instead of supporting growth, cortisol activates muscle breakdown, a process known as muscle catabolism. This becomes especially relevant after the age of 60 and even more after 70. As the body ages, the systems that regulate cortisol become less efficient. Sleep patterns change, stress resilience declines, and chronic low-grade inflammation becomes more common. Together, these factors can lead to higher baseline cortisol levels throughout the day. When cortisol stays elevated, it signals the body to break down muscle tissue in order to release amino acids for energy. That means someone can eat plenty of protein, exercise regularly, and still experience gradual muscle loss if cortisol remains high. This is where mulberries become surprisingly valuable. Mulberries contain a unique combination of polyphenols, flavonoids, and plant compounds such as resveratrol. These compounds are known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects, but research suggests they may also help regulate the body's stress response. Resveratrol, in particular, has been studied for its ability to influence pathways involved in cortisol regulation and muscle metabolism. By helping reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, these compounds may help create a more favorable environment for muscle repair and growth. Scientific research supports this idea. A 2020 study published in the journal Food and Function examined the effects of mulberry polyphenols on metabolic and stress-related markers in older adults. Researchers observed that regular consumption of mulberry compounds was associated with reduced markers of oxidative stress and improved metabolic balance, both of which are linked to better regulation of cortisol and improved muscle health. Mulberries also provide several nutrients that support energy and circulation. They are naturally rich in iron, which helps carry oxygen to muscle tissue through the bloodstream. Oxygen delivery is essential for endurance, strength, and recovery. In addition, mulberries contain anthocyanins, the same antioxidant pigments found in blueberries and blackberries. These compounds support blood vessel health and improve circulation to working muscles. For practical use, a small handful of dried mulberries, about 30 grams per day, is enough to provide meaningful benefits. Many people enjoy them as an evening snack, mixed into oatmeal, yogurt, or sprinkled over cereal. Eating them 1 to 2 hours before bedtime may be particularly helpful. This timing supports overnight metabolic balance and may help regulate cortisol patterns during sleep, an important period when the body repairs muscle tissue. Simple, sweet, and easy to add to your routine, Mulberries quietly support the hormonal side of muscle protection that most people never think about. Number 1. Black currants, the protein amplifier. Now we arrive at the fruit that surprises almost everyone who learns about it: black currants. These small dark berries may look modest, but nutritionally, they are among the most concentrated fruits on the planet. In fact, scientists often describe black currants as one of the most powerful natural sources of anthocyanins, the deep purple pigments responsible for many of their health effects. What makes black currants particularly interesting for muscle health is the type of anthocyanins they contain. One compound in particular, delphinidin-3-rutinoside, has attracted attention because of its influence on cellular signaling pathways involved in muscle metabolism. One of these pathways is known as mTOR, short for mechanistic target of rapamycin. Think of mTOR as the body's master switch for muscle protein synthesis. When this pathway is activated, muscle cells receive the signal to begin building new proteins, repairing damaged tissue, and strengthening muscle fibers. But here's the challenge. As we age, the sensitivity of this pathway declines. After about age 60, muscle cells become less responsive to protein intake. Scientists sometimes call this phenomenon anabolic resistance. In simple terms, the muscles stop responding as strongly to the same amount of protein that once maintained them easily. That means older adults often need both more protein and stronger metabolic signals to activate muscle growth. This is where the unique compounds in black currants may help. Research suggests that anthocyanins can influence metabolic signaling and improve the body's response to nutrients. A 2023 study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition investigated the effects of anthocyanin-rich berry intake on muscle metabolism in older adults. Researchers observed improvements in vascular function, nutrient delivery to muscle tissue, and markers associated with muscle protein synthesis, suggesting that these compounds may help support pathways involved in muscle maintenance. Black currants also provide several additional nutrients that contribute to healthy aging. They are extremely rich in vitamin C, which supports collagen formation and immune health. They contain manganese, an essential mineral involved in energy metabolism and antioxidant defense. And they supply potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and supports normal muscle contraction. Another interesting compound found in black currants is gamma-linolenic acid, GLA. This fatty acid has been studied for its anti-inflammatory properties and may help support joint comfort, which is particularly important for older adults trying to stay active. Fresh black currants can sometimes be difficult to find in regular grocery stores, but there are convenient alternatives. Freeze-dried black currant powder preserves most of the fruit's beneficial compounds and is widely available. A simple way to use it is by mixing 1 tablespoon into water, yogurt, or a smoothie. Many nutrition experts suggest consuming anthocyanin-rich foods close to protein meals, since improved blood flow and metabolic signaling may help muscles utilize incoming amino acids more effectively. Taken consistently, this small berry may act like a natural amplifier, helping your body make better use of the protein you already eat. To wrap things up, protein isn't really the problem. It's the missing partners that help your body use it properly. Guava helps kickstart collagen production. Papaya unlocks hidden protein in your meals. Kiwi improves digestion and supports stronger bones. Mulberries help calm cortisol, the hormone that can break muscle down. And black currants may help reactivate the body's muscle-building pathways. None of these fruits are rare, none are expensive, yet together they can dramatically improve how your body uses the protein you already eat. So the next time you think about protecting your strength after 60, remember, sometimes it's not about eating more protein. It's about giving your body the nutrients that allow that protein to actually work. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our weekly health insights. And before you go, tell us in the comments, which of these fruits will you start adding this week? Your answer might inspire someone else.